28, the Hindustan Socialist Republican Army was founded at a meeting in Dash, Gaurav, Eden Garden in Kolkata, Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai, Firoza Kotla Ground in Delhi, none of these. এটা তো নাই কোশ্চেনটা বুক ভিতরে দিতে পারো না কোন What were the main demands of the peasant movement led by Baba Ramchandra in Awadh? Reduction of revenue, abolition of beggar, social boycott of oppressive landlords, all of these above. Who had organized the Dalits into depressed classes association in 1930? Describe his achievements. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Achievements are raise the demand of a separate electorate for Dalit,
reserve seat in the Central Assembly,
reserve seat in provincial and central legislative council. Ambedkar accepted Gandhi's position and as the result Pune Act was signed. The pact gave the depressed classes reserve seat but were to be voted in by the general electorate. Name the economist who taught that Indian gold exports during the Great Depression of 1929 promoted global economic recovery. V.S. Naipaul, John Maynard Keynes, Henry Ford, Stanley. John Maynard Keynes. Political power sharing group में resource and development अच्छे the Rio Convention endorsed the global forest principles and adopted which of the following for achieving sustainable development in the 21st century? Agenda 21, Agenda 22, Agenda 20, Agenda 25. Which one of the following is the main cause of land degradation of Punjab? Deforestation, overgrazing, intensive over-irrigation. आगे गौरव को कया होते हो ना लेते हैं। Which one of the following human activities has contributed most in land degradation? Deforestation, overgrazing, over-irrigation, mining. Is it correct? Mining. Good. Deforestation due to mining has caused severe land degradation in which one of the following states? Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Kerala. Odisha. There is enough for everybody's need but not for anybody's greed. Who said this? Mahatma Gandhi. Arunachal Pradesh has abundant water resource but lacks dash. In mineral resource, in infrastructural development, in technology, none of these. In? Good. Why do red soils develop a reddish color? Iron occurs in a hydrated form. There is adequate proportion of potassium lime, presence of increased calcium content, diffusion of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rocks. Diffusion of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rocks. The piece of land left uncultivated for the past 1 to 5 agricultural years is called fallow land, forest land, barren land, grazing land. Fallow 2-3 वर्ष 5 वर्ष पाई यदि आम अनकल्टिवेट कर रखीदबा तो fallow. The lower horizons of the arid soil is more common in pediment plains such as dwarfs, chaos and terrain. Black soil, laterite, rare, alluvial. Gaurav, alluvial sir. The lower horizons of the arid soil is occupied by conker due to increasing gas, calcium content, potash content, lime, potash and phosphorus content. Calcium content. In which one of the following states is terrace cultivation practiced? Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, plains of Uttar Pradesh. Uttarakhand. Which of the following categories of resource can we put tidal energy in? Renewable resource, non-renewable resource, actual resource, potential resource. Renewable resource. Plowing along the contour lines is to decelerate the flow of water down the slope is called strip cropping, contour plowing, seed erosion, terrace cultivation. Contour plowing. Which one of the following forces leads to maximum soil erosion in plains? Wind, running water, glacier, earthquake. Running water. अरे जिते पानी अधिक जीव से माटी गुड़िक इरोजन विंड हम किंतु मैक्सिमम इरोजन ड्यू टू रनिंग वाटर. Which of the following categories of resource can we put tidal energy in? Which of the following is not a measure to reduce soil erosion? Creating deep channels, contour plowing, strip cropping, planting of shelter beds. Creating deep channels or gullies. The state which is or are rich in minerals and coal deposits is or are Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, all of these. All of these. The states like Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh are rich in coal and minerals but have less development in resource as days. They are economically less developed, Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh. They lack water resource. They have rich cultural heritage. They lack technological and institutional support. They lack technological and institutional support. Gaurav, classify resource on the basis of origin. Sumya, Siddhi, Bhuvo, class 8 Pachugudu. What is meant by sustainable development, Gaurav?
We use the development carefully and store resource for our future generation.
The development that should take place without damaging the environment and the development in the present should not compromise with the needs of the future generation. What is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? Siddhi? Good. How is the cement industry responsible for land degradation?
Limestone is used for the cement manufacturing.
Manufacturing the dust particles are settled up in the environment, ground. That's led to the infiltration of water and leading
into the soil, leading to land degradation. What is leaching? Which soil is developed due to leaching?
Due to excess fire.
Gaurav, तो चैप्टर ना
Laterals.
अच्छी नहीं कौन सब अच्छे तू जानी पानु पढ़ू न
due to excess.
Leaching is a process by which soil nutrients get washed away by heavy rains. Due to leaching, laterite soil is developed. In which state has mining caused severe land degradations? In which states? Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh. Which type of soil in India is most widespread and important? Which type of soil is most suitable for growing the crop of cashew nut? Red laterite. Name 3 states having black soil.
Maharashtra, Gujarat.
Madhya Pradesh. Good. Which soil is most retentive of moisture? Black soil. Which soil type is the result of intense leaching due to heavy rainfall? Good. Why soil in some parts is red and yellow in color?
It is red due to the crystalline.
Develops on crystalline and metamorphic rocks have iron diffused in it and makes the soil red. It turns yellow when the diffusion of iron occurs in hydrated form. When iron occurs in hydrated form, it turns yellow. Forest and wildlife resource ache. In which one of the following states is Periyar Tiger Reserve located? Rajasthan, Assam, Kerala, Uttarakhand. Good. The Indian Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in DAS with various provisions for protecting habitats. 1972. Which of these options is not a valid reason for the depletion of flora and fauna? Agricultural expansion, large-scale development projects, grazing and fuel wood collection, rapid industrialization and urbanization. Rapid industrialization and urbanization. Desh has the largest area under permanent forest, constituting 75% of its total forest area.
Madhya Pradesh.
Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Assam.
Madhya Pradesh.
Extensive planting of a single commercially valuable species is called dash. Zooming, intensive subsistence farming, mixed farming, enrichment plantation. Teak monoculture has damaged the natural forest in dash. Ganga plain, Brahmaputra plain, South India, none of these. South India. Which of the following is not a threat to tiger population in India? Shrinking habitat, the trade of tiger skins, use of their bones in traditional medicines, Project Tiger. Manas Tiger Reserve is located in
Assam.
the Chipko movement in the Himalayas to protect the forest cover was started by Sundarlal Bahuguna, Dr. Anil Agrawal of CSE, Dr. Arun Rai of Mazdoor Kisan Bhakti Sangathan, Medha Patkar. The Chipko movement in Himalayas to protect the forest cover. Sundarlal Bahuguna. Which of the following conservation strategies do not directly involve community participation? Joint forest management, beach bachao andolon, Chipko movement, demarcation of wildlife sanctuaries. Demarcation of wildlife sanctuaries. Demarcation जानिछो? लैंड को चिन्हित करे जे केतिक एरिया भितर अछि. Name any two states which have large percentage of reserve forest of its forest area.
Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra.
Jammu Kashmir, Andhra Pradesh, etc. What is the main reason for the depletion of flora and fauna?
deforestation, mining.
Insensitivity to our environment is the main reason. What is the term used for the plant and animal species which are in danger of getting extinct?
Endangered.
Extinct species, endangered, vulnerable, threatened.
Endangered.
Endangered.